Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
We intend to set up 2 plants here of 25 ton per day capacity. That is a biodigester to manage the waste of the MMC. Sonsodo I have been hearing for ages together. But I am saying after this, what we have planned for MMC, I am sure that this problem will be tackled once for all. 12 to 18 months to complete the full plan.
Next 18 months.
Yeah,
So
to complete the full plan.
by next.
Be rest assured, we have found a solution for this problem.
Now municipality is taking a decision, you can announce that, so that to hand over that land to the waste management corporation for a permanent solution. Once we take over, we will not allow any waste to be dumped anywhere inside because we have to work on a permanent solution. For which within by 15 days we are going to come up with a detailed project report.
For the plant, the municipality has got the finance commission funds. So using the finance commission funds, the work will be taken.
There is no politics involved in this. We want support from everybody, including the opposition in the municipality and the opposition in the house, of which we are a part. I am a part.
पण थिंगासर पॉलिटिकल वील आसपाक जाय. सगळे थिंगासरले आमदार आनी जो आयज सरकाराक सपोर्ट करता पळय तो पासून रिजनल तेणे सगळ्यांनी फुडाकार घेवपाक जाय आनी हो इश्यू वन्स एंड फॉर ऑल सॉल्व करपाक जाय. जो जर इन्स्पेक्शनाक गेला जाल्यार तेणे करपाक जाय ते. आमी इन्स्पेक्शनां केली थिंगा आनी फायनली मागीर फायल उरली पेंडींग थिंगा. फायल पेंडींग उरल्या फॉर टेंडर प्रोसेस.